Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's February 26th, 2025, and it's about 10:15 in the morning. I just got finished feeding the animals their breakfast, so right now they're all happy, which is good. Well, the sun is out. It's got a slight breeze. It's kind of pretty out here. Oh, there are all the lines are putting in the sky. Starting to dry up somewhat. The mud's not as deep right here as it has been. Hoping the sun stays out and makes it dry out where we can drive wherever we need to be. That lane is just soaking wet. Holds a lot of water along that fence line. I need to get the tractor down here. There's some work I need to do, but it's way too wet right now. I also gotta get those trucks moved that are over there, the parts trucks. So much stuff to do, and just way too wet to do it. Well, no babies yet. I'm hoping they come soon. We got one egg today. Hopefully we get more later on. There's Sally.